Dear parents, teachers, and my dear students, my warm wishes on the occasion of National Sports Day. The birth anniversary of Indian hockey legend Dhyan Chand is celebrated as National Sports Day in India. The National Sports Day in India is celebrated on 29th August every year to mark the birth anniversary of Indian hockey legend Major Dhyan Chand, who was widely regarded as one of the greatest players of all time. He won gold medals in Olympics for India consecutively during the years 1928, 1932 and 1936. Major Dhyan Chand, also known as the Wizard and the Magician, is the legend of Indian hockey team, was born on 29th August 1905 at Allahabad, United Provinces of Agra and Oda, British India. Major Dhyan Chand is greatest hockey player in the history of the sports, having won the gold medals for India all 3 years. India dominated in the field hockey. His influences extended beyond these victories as India won the field hockey event in 7 out of 8 Olympics from 1928 to 1964. Major Dhyan Chand played internationally from 1926 to 1949. He scored 570 goals in 185 matches. The Government of India awarded Major Dhyan Chand India's third highest civilian honor of Padma Bhushan in 1956. His birthday, 29th August, is celebrated as National Sports Day in India every year. Major Dhyan Chand was the elder son of Sharda Singh and Someshwar Singh. He also had another brother, Roop Singh, who was also a hockey player, brother of another hockey player. Major Dhyan Chand graduated from Victoria College, Gwalior in 1932. Young Chand had no serious inclination towards sports, though he loved wrestling. Major Dhyan Chand's early career started by joining British Indian Army as a sepoy between 1922 and 1926. Chand exclusively played army hockey tournaments and regimental games. Major Dhyan Chand was ultimately selected for Indian Army team, which was to tour New Zealand. The team won 18 matches, 2 matches were draw and only one lost. After 2 test matches against New Zealand, the team won the first and narrowly lost the second. Returning to India, Chand was promoted to Lance Naik. By this, Chand got selected to participate in Olympics, and that was a turning point for him, which made him a magician of hockey. He continued to play for Indian hockey team even after independence. In 1951, he was honored at India's National Stadium during the inaugural ceremony of Dhyan Chand tournament. After 34 years of his service, Major Dhyan Chand retired from the Indian Army on 29th August 1956. India honored him the same year by conferring him Padma Bhushan. After retirement, he worked as chief coach at National Institute of Sports, Patiala. Major Dhyan Chand unfortunately passed away on 3rd December 1979 from liver cancer. He was cremated at the Jhansi Heroes Ground in his hometown. He may not be physically with us, but still he lives on in those glorious victorious in the field of hockey. Thank you. Jai Hind.